Hi, this is Brian Hook, Installation Manager at SeaBreeze Beverages. Here today to show you how to clean your bag-in-box connector and your tank connector for your syrups. What's needed for the procedure: 1 container of warm water, clean soft rag, and a toothbrush. First step in the procedure is removing the connector right off of the box. Pull that off completely. Submerge that right into the water. Take your clean soft rag, wipe this down thoroughly. If you need to, take your toothbrush and on all the little cracks. After thoroughly cleaning, hook that right back up to the box. The procedure for cleaning your tank is very similar. Remove the connector right off the tank. Submerge that completely into the water. Take a clean rag. Wipe this all down. Once again, if need be, use a toothbrush. Clean out all these little cracks. When it's cleaned up, put that back up to the tank. I recommend cleaning these connectors every time you change a box or a tank. The better you keep these clean, the better the system will perform. Thank you.